beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So yes, today's video is going to be another exciting one, as in you already know, right? By the title of the video, we are going to be doing another unboxing. Yeah, I wish I can do this every day. Like, it is possible actually. I mean, if I want to unbox one bag every day, it is possible based on the number of brands that we have out there and the number of styles that are still going to get made. It is very possible for me to unbox handbags on a daily basis for you guys. However, only if I don't have to pay for them myself. So I hope someday that I grow to the point where most of these brands can actually reach out to me and have me unbox their bags with you on a daily. Oh god, yes, that would be me meeting my goal. Like, that's my goal. I wish I get there someday, you know. But right now we just have to manage with the ones that I can afford, you get. But trust me, I'm always coming here to you with the tea, like the tea. If I recommend any bag for you, I mean, don't even sleep over it. Just go ahead and get it done, because I'm always gonna give you the fact and the fact only about each and every bag. And in case you want to buy a bag that I'm recommending to you and you need to ask more questions, like, I like it when you guys do that. I've received DMs on Instagram. I've received comments in my comment section from people who are trying to like double check with me, you know. Like, if you have a contrary opinion about what I've said about any handbag, feel free to engage me. Let's talk about it. Let's deliberate on it. Let me share my view with you, then let me get your own view, that we can conclude together if it's something that you really need to add to your collection or not. Because despite the fact that I recommend these bags, you know, my own recommendation is usually around the craftsmanship, the quality, the versatility, the value for the price, you know, that's my own view. You know, you might be somebody that actually just only care about the style, then we would have different opinion about some handbags, right? However, I just want you to know that when I'm recommending a bag to you, you should know that yes, like, Buki knows what she's saying. And that's the reason why if I'm using any bag and I see that there is anything off, I call it out. Like, I call it out, because I'm not sponsored. Even if by the time I start to get sponsored, by God's grace, I'm not that kind of person that can, I mean, no, my integrity goes a long way. Because of a brand deal, I'm not gonna come here to you and tell you that a bag is what is not, you know. Yeah, quality over quantity is what I stand for, you know. So yeah, again, today's video we're going to be unboxing the Marc Jacobs tote bag, but it's called the Tote bag by Marc Jacobs. So I do not own any Marc Jacobs bag in my collection. No, I don't. However, this one actually caught my eyes. They have it in different material. They have it in the fabric material, they have it in the net material, they have the leather. I got the leather one. I probably might be adding the fabric one to my collection depending on how I love this one, and that will probably be for me to, you know, maybe use like a beach tote bag, or like a, you know, I have to cater if we're going on a picnic or anything, I might use it for that purpose. I'm somebody who has never been bold enough to express myself in colors. I'm so glad that, you know, our fashionistas in the whole world has kind of like opened the door for us. Like, the moment I saw that I could play with colors, guys, you should follow me on Instagram. I went beyond and above in my own way. As in, I went beyond. I've not done some color combos, but the color combos that I've done so far, they are the color combos that I would not do on a normal day, you know. So, and that's actually one of the reasons why I'm beginning to consider adding colors to my collection. And bags in this kind of price point makes sense for me to use to add colors to my collection. And guys, keep in mind that some of these luxury handbags, what they sell is the name of the brand, not the actual leather. Because even the leather that other companies are using, like other brands that are not like luxuriest, or even the leather that they use are as quality or even more quality sometimes. But we all know, like, the naming is different, right? So yeah, long story short, it is what it is. That's how life is. Like, that's how life is. Nothing is balanced, so we all get that part. So yeah, without dragging this part of this video for too long, I'd like to say a very big thank you to my subscribers. Thank you so much, guys, for staying with me. I do appreciate you a whole lot. Like always, I am so grateful for your support. I'm so grateful for the love. I love you right back. God bless you. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking my pretty face. My name is Buki. I make videos about luxury handbags and about solid gold jewelry. If any of those two things are the things that rocks your boat, feel free to join us. Hit the subscribe button below to join the family, and I promise you, you are not going to regret it. We do have a lot of fun around here. We do. I mean, it's really bubbly around here. You're gonna love it. And guys, if you haven't yet, don't forget to hit the notification bell by the subscribe button below so that you can be alerted each time when I upload a new video for you here on YouTube. So yeah, without dragging this intro for too long, let's jump right into it. So guys, this my faithfulness that I'm trying to be faithful in. It's torturing. It is torturing, trust me. I'm not gonna lie to you about that. It is torturing because seeing boxes in my room that I'm supposed to open up, rip up and see what's inside, I'm unable to do that. Sometimes I even run into the risk of not being able to return anymore. So it's okay, I'm not complaining. I mean, I'm here for it, like you guys first, I get it, but I'm just telling you so that you can appreciate my faithfulness, you know. Like, it's not easy for you to see your box and you're not able to rip it up because you want to do that with your family. So yeah, I want to do that with you guys, and that's the reason why I haven't ripped up my box. This is what it looks like, and this is how it came. And yeah, immediately I received it, I knew it was from Marc Jacobs, because if you peep inside, it has the, what's it called, it has this yellow color inside. I knew it was from Marc Jacobs, and I also tracked it and it told me delivered, and I just know that this is the box that I've been waiting for. I'm not showing you this side because it has my address, just for security reasons. I have my scissors here, so now we're just gonna rip it open.
I know where you belong. I know where you belong.
Whoa, that was hard, like super duper hard. Ouch. Woo, this is so pretty. Pretty. I like it. So that's the bag there. And oh, I forgot to mention, I'm gonna tell you, so I actually got it. Okay, so 1 second. I want you to be looking at the box so that I can read the details. So it comes with the packing slip, is what this one is, and it's the mini tote. So I got it in the size mini. It does come in the size large, small, and mini, actually. Yep. So I got the mini one because it kind of like fits what I am envisioning style wise for summer. So I got it in the mini, and I got it, it retails for $375, and I paid $30 in tax. So in total I paid $405.94 US dollars. So yeah, this is the bag right out of the box. I'm just gonna seat everything somewhere so that I can change the angle of the camera right now as I unbox this bag. I hope we love it, so fingers crossed. This leather feels really good. I've never, again, I don't have any Marc Jacobs bag in my collection. This is the first one, so I am impressed by the leather. It's not light, it's not like super light, you know, which is cool. In case you don't know, this place has a magnet, and the magnet is supposed to be used to hold the magnet that you have on this side. So this part is magnetic, so you are able to hook this magnetic part to this magnetic part just to hold the zipper in place, and you can have it that way instead of having it dangle. You are able to do that. It does come with a dust bag, which is cute. I like that, and the dust bag is really cute actually. Woo, this is nice. And it has a drawstring. It does have a strap, which is a good thing. I'll be showing you the mud shots, definitely. You know I got you. So what I want to do is I want to get like an insert for it on Amazon, and when I do that, I'll show you guys maybe here on YouTube if there is any additional information that I would like to share with you about it. Yeah, I think I'm still gonna have to do what fits into this bag, so definitely I think I'll be back with another video to show you what fits into the bag after I have gotten the insert. Like always, I'm just putting my strap on the last hole. This is what I always do. I'm a last hole girl because I love my bag to hit me right where it's supposed to, and when I decide to wear a crossbody, I like to have it like how it's supposed to be. The color is cool. The color is cool, and it feels like it is well made. The leather feels quality, you know, the leather feels quality, you know, but it's still a tote bag, so it's not like it has like this kind of heavy leather. It's a tote bag, and it needs to serve that purpose, and I believe that's the reason why it doesn't have any inside or divider or anything. So it's a tote bag. So yeah, I'll put it on now and let you see what the mini size looks like on me.
Your
All right guys, so yeah, that's all about this cute little bag right here. So you are actually and definitely able to wear it without the insert. Trust me, this is me now trying to be extra because because it's big enough for me to just have things flying around in the bag. I just want to put in an insert, and not an insert actually, I mean an organizer. If I've been saying insert, I mean an organizer, just something that I can use to section out my things in the bag itself, because it can hold a whole lot actually, and I'm going to be showing you that in a separate video. This is my newest addition to my collection. I just wanted to share with you, like always. It's a nice casual bag. Obviously it's not a bag that you can dress all the way up, you know, but it's a nice casual bag, and for the price point I think it's fair. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you have any additional questions, feel free to leave them for me in the comment section below, and you already know that I'll be more than happy to answer you. Before we see you again, I hope you remain blessed, and I wish you peace.